This is I Can Only Imagine in the key of G by Bart Millard. Hope you love it. As always, stop the video right now, click on the description of the video below, and I do have the chord sheet for you to be able to print out and follow along with me. All right, so in the key of G, we have three main chords, G, C, and D, and then we have an E minor chord. All right, so let's go through those. G chord is made up of G, B, D, C chord, C, E, G, D chord, D, F sharp, A, and then our E minor is E, G, B. Okay, so we have a G chord, C, D, which makes up this triangle shape as well, and then our E minor. Okay, right hand is going to be playing those chords. Left hand, you could put pinky on G, line up your 5 fingers, and then you don't have to move this hand the whole song. So you're going to play G single note with G chord. Okay, you're going to play those together. Then we're going to play C to C in the bass, D, and then E minor. You're just going to swing your thumb open one note and play that E single note with E minor up here. The rhythm that we're going to do to bring the two hands together is just a simple marching rhythm. Together, right. Together, right. Together, right. Together, right. You could practice that on all the chords. C chord, D chord. Just practicing that marching rhythm. E minor. Okay, let's add some vocals in verse 1 and you'll know what I mean. So we're going to start on the G there. I can only imagine what it will be like when I walk, C chord there, walk by your side. I can only, and then G chord again, imagine what my eyes will see when your C chord face is before me. I can only G chord, and then to the C. That merges us right into that chorus. Okay, surrounded by your glory, D chord. What will my heart feel? Will I G dance for you, Jesus, or in awe of you be still? Will I C chord stand in your presence to my D? I fall. Will I G hallelujah? Will I be able to speak it all? I can only C chord imagine. D, I can only imagine. Then end on your G. Okay, verse 2 is the same as verse 1. Your little tag and ending is just using the same chords. We're just changing up the order a little bit and then adding in that little E minor. Okay, can only imagine, C chord on that tag. Yeah, D, I can only imagine. G, I can only imagine. C, yeah, D, I can only imagine. And then that ending is really similar as well. You're just kind of, I can only imagine when all I will do. D is forever, E minor, forever worship you. G, C, D, I can only imagine, and in the G. Okay, I'm going to play it beginning to end. I think you can go back to the beginning if you need a little help, but there's a lot of repetition if you haven't noticed. That verses repeat themselves. We're playing the same chords. We might change the order of the chords, but once you learn those same chords, G, C, D, and E minor, you can pretty much learn this whole piece with just breaking it up into those small chunks. All right, let's go. I can only imagine what it will be like when I walk by your side. I can only imagine. presence. To my knees will I fall, will I stand? Hallelujah. Will I be able to speak it all? I can only imagine. Yeah, I can only imagine. I can only imagine. Yeah, I can only imagine. I can only imagine. Yeah, I can only imagine. I can only imagine that when all I will do is forever worship you. I can only imagine. Surrounded by your glory, what will my heart feel? Will I dance for you, Jesus? Or in awe of you be still? Will I stand in your presence?